The Acezoe folding walking pad treadmill combines a compact underdesk design with a sturdy handlebar, so it works equally well for casual walking while you work or more focused workouts. Its manual incline adds a noticeable challenge that mimics gentle hill climbs, helping you get more out of shorter sessions without needing complicated adjustments. The wide running surface, multi-layer belt, and built-in cushioning do a good job of softening impact, making it friendlier on knees and ankles than many slim treadmills. A surprisingly strong and quiet motor supports users up to 300 pounds and offers a comfortable walking and light jogging speed range that suits most exercisers. Bluetooth app connectivity, the included remote control, and the clear front display make it easy to track your stats, tweak settings, and keep workouts a bit more engaging. When you are done, the slim folding frame and transport wheels let you slide it under a sofa or against a wall, which is ideal if you are short on dedicated workout space.